day 4 of our cruise, and today we are about to dock in Olden. Good morning, and for those that wanted to get up at 5 a.m, we were invited to the helipad at the front of the ship to enjoy the peaceful cruise into Olden, so I thought, why not? As you can imagine, it's very peaceful as long as you can put up with the wind, which, being at the front of the boat, is not surprising. Time to head back to the cabin. All of a sudden, it's got really quiet. Very peaceful. It is so peaceful and beautiful out here as we sail into Olden, and yes, another waterfall. I just can't resist. And we have arrived in the beautiful, if not rather small port of Olden. Over there we can see some buses which I assume are going to take people on their shore trips. But first, the captain has to show his talents and dock, but not before making a 180-degree turn. You could see from the front of the ship there how slow the process is. And at the rear, the propellers are working hard. Now that is somewhere I would definitely love to camp one day. And here we are, welcome to Olden. Stunning. see there is the road we are about to head along as we take our shuttle to the Loen Skylift. And we already have our tickets, so let's head straight to the area where we can board. And here we are about to embark on our 6-minute skylift ride to the mountaintop. Stunning views as this metal box hanging from just a wire transports us up to 1,000 meters above sea level. Let's enjoy the ride for a minute or two and take your time to look around and enjoy the views from this stunning part of the world. Look, even that behemoth of a cruise ship looks like a toy surrounded by these towering mountains. This, I think, gives you an amazing sense of the scale of this place. So here we are at the top of the Loen Skylift. Really easy to get up, few stairs, lifts if you need them, and then the skylift all the way. Takes just 5 minutes and the views are, as you've seen already, amazing. You feel like you're on top of the world. You are on top of the world. So if you're ever in Norway, if you're ever in the fjords, this is a place I would recommend. So we're going to have a little few more minutes up here and have a look around, so we'll check out the other platforms and take you with us. So let's go check it out. And here we have Lake Loen, or Lake Loen. I did research this but couldn't find the correct pronunciation online, but seeing all these views and the lakes and the roads really makes me want to bring the campervan here one day. And we thought before the clouds roll in, let's go for a little hike. Currently at 1,000 meters, let's see how far and how high we can get. Whoa, so we are at about 4,000 feet in elevation now. Don't know what we started at. Obviously sea level when we got off the boat, but yeah, there are some amazing views that this little camera will not do justice to. So I'm going to use a proper camera and get a nice video of this view for you. And the path is easy to navigate, but you do have to watch your footing as it is a little rocky and uneven in places. Holy moly. And just like that, the cloud has rolled in. Visibility is now 0. You can barely see the first viewing platform we went out on. You can barely see now. It's over there. And now the viewing platform is totally gone. Thick cloud. Right, we are now virtually back down level with the viewing platform where we get the skylift back down to the ground. So we're kind of under the clouds now, not in the clouds. You can see up here where we were half an hour ago that it's just pretty much engulfed in cloud. But we're back down now. Clear here, can't really see the fjords down below, but we've definitely got the best of the weather. So we are gonna head back down and get back to the ship. And it is time to head back down, and be warned, there is a slight sudden movement as the skylift drops over the edge on the way down, but there is nothing to worry about.
You're right, Max. You're alright, Max.
Every second that goes by we get closer, don't worry.
You alright? Your face,
our time at Olden, but there is still so much more to come on our Norwegian Fjords cruise, so don't forget to subscribe. And here's a little teaser of what is coming up in the next video. And coming up in the next video, the cruise ship takes us to Stavanger, where we explore the town. Take a day trip out on another boat to see some more stunning scenery, including Pulpit Rock, made famous in a Mission Impossible film. Get up close and personal with some waterfalls, and even feed some wild mountain goats. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.